What's up guys? We are used to Lenovo's unusual wireless earbuds, for example Lenovo XT81 and Lenovo LP8 Pro. Today we are going to talk about another exciting earbuds called Lenovo X20. The main feature of these earbuds is an ear clip design. To be honest, I haven't tested or even met similar earbuds. Let's check how comfortable to use them, as well as test microphone, sound quality and battery life. Before we start the review of Lenovo X20, please subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. Thank you. The new wireless earbuds come in this box. Like the previous Lenovo earphones, Lenovo X20 are designed for the Chinese market, so there are Chinese inscriptions on the box. And there is even the inscription of sales in Chinese mainland only. But you can buy the earbuds on AliExpress with delivery to most countries of the world. By the way, the full name of these earbuds is Lenovo ThinkPlus LifeBuds X20. Inside the box there is USB Type-C charging cable, a user manual in Chinese and English, and a charging case with earbuds. So Lenovo is famous for its unusual wireless earbuds. The new Lenovo X20 also attract attention with their design. The charging case is made of glossy plastic with a combination of gray and black colors. On the top is Lenovo logo, and on the front is the ThinkPlus logo. We can also see LED indicator next to the ThinkPlus. USB Type-C charging port is on the back. The case can be opened by sliding the lid. I would like to say that this mechanism doesn't look very reliable because the lid is wobbly. You should open the case carefully to avoid breaking the lid. There are left and right earbuds in the case. They are attached with powerful magnets, and they don't fall out of the case even when you shake it a lot. So design is main feature of Lenovo X20 earbuds, because they are not inserted into the ears but clipped to the side. Here is how it looks. You know, they remind me ear cuffs. First, I was very skeptical about this ear clip design, but the earbuds actually fit very securely. I think they will not fall out, even during active sports. Moreover, the earbuds hardly felt on the ears. After 3 minutes, I forgot I had them on. I think this is a revolutionary design. The earbuds consists of two parts. One of them has a speaker, while another part has a touch panel, LED indicator, built-in battery, and charging contacts. The microphone is on the part with the speaker. Talking about dimensions, the charging case of Lenovo X20 is larger than other Lenovo earbuds. The size is 65 by 60 by 35 mm. The weight is 48 grams. I'm not sure how to measure the size of a single earbud. The smaller part is about 16 mm in diameter, and the larger part is 18 mm in diameter. They are connected with a flexible plastic. The weight of a single earbud is 5.5 grams. I really like the design of Lenovo X20, but we also need to check the other features of these earbuds. Let's talk about control functions. First, you should know that the touch panel is located in this area. You know, it is really convenient to press when the earbuds are on the ears, so you can play pause the music with a single press of any earbud. A double press on the right earbud makes the volume up, and a double press on the left earbud makes the volume down. You can also switch to the next track by a triple press on the right earbud and switch to the previous track with a triple press on the left earbud. A long press of the left earbud activates a voice assistant on smartphone, and a long press of the right earbud turns on a game mode. So Lenovo X20 earbuds have a low latency or a game mode, and we need to check the sound latency in games. The latency in game mode is definitely lower than in music mode, but it is still very high compared to other earbuds. To be honest, it is not convenient to play games with Lenovo X20 earbuds. You know, I only found one microphone on each earpiece, and I am not sure about the quality of phone calls. Let's check it out. Hey guys, I'm testing the microphone of Lenovo X20 earbuds. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. By the way, these earbuds also have electronic noise cancellation, and I want to check how it works. I will turn on the street noise on my TV. Hey, what's up? Can you hear me? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Is the sound getting worse or not? Write in the comments below. Looking at these earbuds, you don't expect high sound quality. However, this is not true. The sound is very decent, but you have to put the earbuds right. Lenovo X20 should sit like this on the ears. The speaker part of the earpiece should be pointed directly into the ear canal. If you do it right, the sound quality will be similar most budget semi-in-ear earbuds. Lenovo X20 has a big 13mm driver, AAC and SBC audio codec support. The volume level is very good. The earbuds also have a good bass. When it comes to battery, the charging case of the new Lenovo earbuds has a capacity of 350 mAh. A single earphone battery capacity is 55 mAh. You can listen to music up to 6 hours on a single charge. The charging case can be used 3 times to fully charge the earphones, so the total battery life of Lenovo X20 is about 24 hours. You know, Lenovo X20 reminds me of bone conduction headphones because the earbuds themselves are not inserted in your ears. Lenovo X20 is primarily about comfort. They feel almost nothing on your ears, so you can listen to music for hours. The sound quality is still good for budget earphones. I really like this design. I would like to see more earbuds like this on the market. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!